In a world grappling with rapid technological advancements, Onpassive emerges as a beacon of hope, a testament to the power of innovation and collective growth. Onpassive is more than just a company. It is a movement, a global community united by a shared vision of success. Founded on the principles of ethical business practices and fueled by cutting-edge AI technology, Onpassive is paving the way for a future where financial freedom and technological empowerment are within everyone's reach. Onpassive's story is one of ambition, resilience, and unwavering belief in the power of technology to transform lives. It is a story that resonates with millions worldwide who aspire to achieve financial independence and create a better future for themselves and their loved ones. This is the story of Onpassive, a company that is not just changing the game but rewriting the rules of success in the digital age. But before we get started, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe below. Thanks. At the heart of Onpassive's success lies its unwavering commitment to empowering its users. Onpassive provides AI-powered business solutions to simplify and streamline online operations. From lead generation to web hosting, Onpassive offers a comprehensive ecosystem of tools, but Onpassive's impact extends far beyond its technology. It fosters a culture of collaboration and support. Through training programs and online resources, Onpassive empowers its users. Onpassive helps users unlock their full potential and achieve their dreams. As we stand at the cusp of a new technological era, Onpassive's vision for the future shines brighter than ever. Onpassive is constantly evolving, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI and machine learning. With its finger on the pulse of technological advancements, Onpassive is committed to delivering cutting-edge solutions that will continue to empower its users for generations to come. Imagine a world where financial freedom is no longer a distant dream, but an attainable reality for people from all walks of life. This is the future that Onpassive is building. A future where technology serves humanity, empowering individuals to break free from the constraints of traditional employment models and achieve true financial independence. Onpassive envisions a future where technology levels the playing field, providing everyone with an equal opportunity to succeed. This is a future where geographical boundaries become irrelevant, and individuals from all corners of the globe can connect, collaborate, and build a brighter future together. Section 4. The Cornerstones of Enduring Success, Innovation, Community, and Vision. Onpassive's journey towards lasting success is built on three fundamental pillars: innovation, community, and vision. These core values are deeply ingrained in the company's DNA, guiding its every decision and shaping its interactions with its users. Onpassive's commitment to innovation is evident in its relentless pursuit of developing cutting-edge AI-powered solutions that simplify and enhance the online experience. By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, Onpassive is creating a world where technology works seamlessly in the background, empowering users to focus on what truly matters: their passions, their goals, and their dreams. Onpassive understands that true success is not just about technological advancements, it's about the people. Onpassive is committed to fostering a thriving community where individuals feel valued, supported, and inspired to achieve their full potential. Onpassive, a beacon of hope for generations to come. Onpassive stands as a beacon of hope, a testament to human ingenuity and collaboration. Onpassive's commitment to ethical practices and community makes it a force for good. Onpassive is building a legacy to inspire and empower future generations, creating a ripple effect of positive change, empowering individuals for a better future. Section 6. Shaping a brighter digital future. The Onpassive Promise. Onpassive's journey is a testament to the power of a shared vision. By bringing together a global community, Onpassive is transforming lives and shaping a brighter digital future. Onpassive's success is a testament to the power of collaboration and the transformative potential of technology. Onpassive will continue to be at the forefront of innovation, empowering individuals and businesses to thrive. Section 7. Conclusion. With Onpassive, the future is limitless. Onpassive stands as a testament to the power of human potential when guided by a clear vision and fueled by the spirit of collaboration. Onpassive's journey is an inspiration to dreamers and doers worldwide, reminding us that the only limits to what we can achieve are those we set for ourselves. With Onpassive, the future is bright, the possibilities are endless, and the time for success is now. Let us embrace the Onpassive movement, join hands with this incredible community, and together let us create a future where success is not a destination, but a journey we embark on together. The future is ours to create, and with Onpassive by our side, the only direction is up. For more information about Onpassive, please go to the description below. Thank you and have an awesome day.